Hi guys, if your taskbar is not working in Windows 10 or Windows 11 operating system, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the quick methods to fix this issue. So this is my taskbar. If it is not working, so let's look at quick fixes. So the first step is that you need to restart Windows Explorer. For that, you will first open the task manager. So press the key Ctrl Shift Escape to open the task manager, and then after that you will go down and you will search for a process called Windows Explorer, this one, and just right click and just restart and just wait. So this is the first method. If the issue is still not fixed, what you can do is you can restart some of the essential services. So you need to press Window R to open run, and then after that you are going to execute the following commands. So the first command is this will restart this service called ShellExperienceHost. All you need to do is just copy and paste. So I'm going to provide this command in the below description. All you need to do is just copy and paste over here and click OK and just wait. This is going to restart this particular service. I'm done with this. Now I'm going to restart this particular service. For that, again I will press Window R, and then I'm going to copy and paste this command over here. Just copy and paste and click OK, and this will restart StartMenuExperienceHost Service, and just wait. And yes, we are done with this option as well. Now if the issue is still not fixed, if the taskbar still not working, what you can do is you can try out the last method, which is this one. So for that, I will again open the task manager, Ctrl Shift Escape, and I will go in the file option and I will run new task, and then I'm going to type cmd, and then I will click I'm going to open the command prompt as admin. So I will check this option and then I will click OK. After that, once this is opened, I'm going to execute this command, sfc space /scannow. This command is going to repair the corrupt system files. So just copy and paste the command and wait. This command is going to take around 10 to 15 minutes. This could take some time. Okay, so you just need to wait and be patient. So we are done with this step. This is 100% complete. So after performing this step, you need to restart your computer. So for that, you will press the key Windows X, and then you will go over here and restart. Right now, I'm not restarting my computer. I will do it later. So I hope after performing all these steps, your issue will be resolved. And at the end, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.